My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that is related to the website mcprotectionplus.com. mcprotectionplus.com is a malicious and truly deceptive website that may suddenly start attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This mcprotectionplus.com website tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computer. Then the pop-up may tell you to download some cleaner, supposedly to protect your computer. But the trouble is that all these pop-ups are absolutely faulty. If you interact with them, you may be brought to some other shady and deceptive websites that may promote some other potentially unwanted software. Therefore, interacting with all these pop-ups is strongly not recommended. Don't share your personal data through these pop-ups and don't download or install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. By the way, such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware to be enabled in your computer right now. So check your applications, and if you find any items which might be suspicious, go ahead and get rid of them in the manual manner. I also recommend investigating the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.